Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you really quick here how I made this animation. So basically I use this prompt, and there are a bunch of examples of similar prompts on Midjourney. You can explore and find out, but you can also copy this one, and if you like this specific style. So I use the golden Labrador. You can use other animals as well. You can use other scenarios and environments. From those examples, I chose the one that I liked the most, with the one that seemed more fluid, which was this one. And afterwards I scaled, and then it generated another 4 examples of those. And from there, I just pretty much just did the basic, which was like, okay, I select the one that I liked, and then I kept extending the one that I liked further and further, and then select from the 4 examples that the Midjourney would give back to me. Then I would generate that one for an extension. I also did an extended manual, but that one just to try some variety with the dog's motion and all that. But that didn't do exactly what I wanted, but did this like little slide, which was pretty cool. And then from there, I also extended further on just to give me like a few more seconds, and then just to see how that would look overall after the slide. So basically that's it. It's no rocket science, and I hope you like it. And yeah, feel free to subscribe and follow for more tips like this.